Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making an olive oil almond flour bread. So this is definitely a keto-friendly type of bread. It is a one bowl recipe. It is mainly made with almond flour, but I did add some flaxseed in there for some extra fiber. We are adding the olive oil for that really great savoriness and almost like that fruitiness. This is the type of bread that you slice, you toast, and you put whatever you want on it. And I'm gonna show you what I love to add to it, which provides some healthy fats and some really great protein. Before we get to the recipe, don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel and share our recipes with your friends and family. It really does help our channel grow. So let's learn how to make this really delicious olive oil almond flour quick bread. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we want to grease and line an 8x4 baking pan. A 9x5 might be a little too big for this. This is 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil, 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. First thing, we are going to toast our almond flour. This really does bring out the flavor of the almond flour. So this is 1.5 cups. I'm going to put this on parchment on a baking sheet, and we're going to bake this at 350 for about 7 minutes until it's slightly golden. We are going to grab a medium to large bowl, and we're going to start with our wet ingredients. We're going to add our 5 eggs. These are room temperature large eggs. Our olive oil. This is our maple syrup. And we're going to give that a mix. The maple syrup just really adds to the flavor of this. We're going to add our apple cider vinegar and then just give that a mix. The apple cider vinegar will actually react with the baking soda and give this bread a little bit more of a lift. This is our flaxseed. If you don't want to use flaxseed, just replace it with more almond flour. Our baking soda and salt. And our toasted almond flour. And we're just going to mix that. And that's really it. It's a very simple recipe, all done in one bowl. And we're just going to mix this until it's just incorporated. Don't overmix. Once that's mixed, we're going to transfer this to our baking pan. Just smooth out the top. And I love to add something crunchy. So this is 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, which have a lot of protein and omegas, but you guys can use any seeds that you like. And I just like to grab a knife and just kind of embed those seeds in the top, just so when we are ready to slice, we don't lose a lot of the seeds. And we are ready to bake. 350 for, I would say, 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And it smells really great. So after it is cooled completely, let's make our avocado cottage cheese toasts. So first thing, I'm going to toast 2 slices of this olive oil almond flour bread. Once it's toasted, I'm going to smash half an avocado with a little salt and lemon juice. I'm going to distribute it evenly between the two. I'm going to add 2 large tablespoons of cottage cheese on top of each. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with everything but the bagel seasoning. Use as much or as little as you like. This is a fantastic breakfast or lunch with great protein, healthy fats, and a good amount of fiber as well. Enjoy our olive oil, almond flour, quick bread. It is delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this olive oil, almond flour, quick bread, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.